Hello guys, my name is JB Dan. Today I will show you how to create your personal diary using Notepad. Now search on your Windows search bar, Notepad, right here. Let's start coding, shall we? Now as you can see here, type echo of column home. And we are going to give a title to our program. Now what this command does is simple. It changes the title of your CMD. For example, there we go. Personal diary. Now this one itself is for the message. I'm pretty sure you all know that. Now you can put any text you want in the echo part. Now before CLS, before the home label, this one itself is called label. Now before the home label, type set a equal. Now as you can see here, this will be the file name. Type your file name .txt. We want this file to be a text file. Now as you can see here, we give it a .txt. Now this one itself will be the name. Now if your file doesn't have a space, then you can remove the quotation. But if it does have a space, then make sure to include quotation. Otherwise it will cause an error. Now as you can see here, save your file. Select all files. Diary. Now name your file whatever you want, but after that put a file name extension .bat. There we go. Now as you can see here, set p. As you can see here, we are done. Now let me give you an explanation. As you can see here, the %a itself refer to this set a. So this is a variable, a batch file variable. Time and date, no, a type of date, refer to this variable like here. Date and time refer to this variable. Every time you use it, it will display a specific time and date. Now the input variable refers to this one. I think it's self-explanatory. As you can see here. Now as you can see here, just save. Now we can type whatever we want to. Hello world. As you can see here, a new file has appeared on our desktop. This is me. And that's pretty much it. That is it for now, guys. If you like this video, please subscribe, like and comment. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.